Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use AI DJ. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to use AI DJ on Spotify, then I'll show you how can you do it very easily. So firstly you have to open Spotify, and now as you can see guys, showing here AI DJ option. If it's not showing here guys, just simply you have to update your Spotify, and you can also search for AI DJ in the search icon. So once you tap here AI DJ, you can easily view here AI DJ option. Just simply you have to tap on that. Okay guys, as you can see guys, so what is AI DJ? If you want to play or use AI DJ, then you can easily view next song, and you can easily skip that song and go to another song. Okay guys, so it's look like a radio, so you can also skip the song or artist from here. Okay guys, so if you want to use it, just simply have to tap on that and you can easily use it. Because it's not working here because I don't have premium, that's why it's not working for me. So you have to subscribe premium and you can easily use it. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.